Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to make Google default password manager on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings and click on password, passkeys and autofill. After click on password, passkeys and autofill, click on this settings icon and you will see if you want to make Google default password manager, so click on Google. After click on Google, click on OK. You will see Google password manager and you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make Google default password manager on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.